Hello children, welcome back to our online lesson explanation session. So kids, today we are going to start a new lesson, subject social studies, that is lesson number 8, places in the neighborhood for second class. So all the second class students, take out your term reader, page number 150. I hope last lesson is been completed. Whatever the notes I have given you, that is up to the mark, right? Yeah, let us start the new lesson. Places in the neighborhood. So we are living over here. हमारे घर के आसपास बहुत सारे घर, बहुत सारे ऑफिसेस, बहुत सारे दुकान, शॉप रहते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? नेबरहुड. So what are the things we have at our surroundings? Let us see. There are many important places in our neighborhood. We visit these places for different purpose. Let us learn about few of them. So yes, घर में हम सारा दिन घर में तो नहीं बैठे रहते. जब कोई ज़रूरत का सामान है तो हम बाहर जाते हैं, बाहर जाके लोगों से मिलते हैं, उनसे खरीदते हैं या उनसे पूछते हैं, या और भी बहुत सारे काम होते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमें उन प्लेसेस में जाना पड़ता है. Whether it is a legal work, whether it is a bank work, whether it is a market work, whether it is a police station work, everywhere. So what are those places? First one is what? Market. हमारे घर के आसपास मार्केट है. सब्जी मार्केट हो सकती है, कपड़ों की मार्केट हो सकती है, राइट? तो सब्जी, फ्रूट्स या कपड़े लेने के लिए हम लोग तो मार्केट में जाते ही हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट थिंग द मार्केट नोज. So we buy things from the market. Many shops together form a market. These shops sell the all articles of daily use. We go to market to buy fresh vegetables every day. We purchase fresh milk from a milk dairy. The confectioner sells sweet milk, curd, cream and butter. The baker sells biscuits and breads. So yes, we have different types of market. And market ऐसा नहीं है कि एक गली में सिर्फ एक ही market है या दूसरी गली में एक ही market है. So all together, all different types of shops, they form a market. It can be a books market, it can be a clothes, it can be toys, it can be dairy market where you can buy sweets, it can be a bakery also, right, where you can purchase cake, breads, many things. So all the different types of shops form a market. We go to market sometimes to get vegetables, fresh vegetables every day, क्योंकि हमें fresh vegetables चाहिए रहते हैं. So every day we need to go to a vegetable market. We go to milk, or for if you want to drink milk, we go to a milk dairy. And there are many sweet milk, curd, cream, butter. मिठाइयों की दुकान है, कपड़ों की दुकान है, right? या टायर पंचर की भी दुकान है. So there are many types of markets. Not only this thing, apart from this, आपके मोबाइल फोन रिपेयर्स की मार्केट है, बाइक रिपेयर मार्केट है, कुछ बाइक्स में खराब हो गया उसकी भी मार्केट है. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स वन कभी ना कभी तो हमें इन सब चीज़ों की जरूरत पड़ती है. सो वी गो टू अ मार्केट, राइट? नेक्स्ट, वी बाय टॉयज, आइसक्रीम, शूज एंड क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट. नेक्स्ट इज वन पोस्ट ऑफिस. Some of our relatives and friends live in other towns. We send and receive letters from them through the post office. Yes. So nowadays we are having WhatsApp. Easily we can video chat with them. Whoever our relatives is sitting outside, right? Or they are living far from us. WhatsApp is there, video calling, chat. Many things are there. But before these things, we used to send letters. And for sending the letters, we need what? We need post office. So whoever is sitting here, who wants to connect, who wants to contact with the person who is sitting somewhere far from that area, they write a letter to that person and we go to the post office. So first we buy what? We buy postcard. There is a letter also and a special envelope from the post office. So we use these to write and send messages by the post. So whatever the things are required to write a letter, we can purchase it from the post office. Then afterwards, when the letter is completed, उस letter को आपको letter box में डालना है. So again this is painted red. What is the next step? जो postman होता है, postman come, it takes the letter from the post office. Afterwards वो letter को stamp करता है, फिर वो सॉर्ट करता है सिटी वाइज में, मतलब जो नज़दीक है पहला वो लेटर्स को निकालता है, फिर जो थोड़ा दूर है फिर वो लेटर्स को अरेंज करता है. मीन्स अरेंज इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, सो जो एरिया उसको नज़दीक है पहला वो लेटर्स वो अरेंज करता है, देन थोड़ा दूर थोड़ा दूर थोड़ा दूर. सो ही विल सॉर्ट इट आउट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिटी वाइज. देन these letters are been sent to the post office to the addresses. Then the postman, okay, फिर वो एरिया के पोस्ट ऑफिस में वो डिलीवर करता है, फिर वहाँ एरिया का जो पोस्टमैन है he will deliver it to the places or to the houses of the concerned address. Okay, then afterwards we can even not only the letters, we can even parcel the things or even the money by money order. We can send even money by money order also, and urgent messages if you want to send, we can send it through the telegrams. But nowadays we are having all the online things. WhatsApp, within a second you can pass on the message, but that times we used to have telegrams, we used to have post office, and we can if you want to send the money, we used to deposit it in the deposit money bank, where the post office में जो deposit money का है वहाँ पे उसको deposit करते थे. Then answer post office are also acts as a link between a bank and the customer, right? So not only that, so we can do not only sending a letter, so many things were done with the help of what? Post office. But nowadays through money transfer we can easily transfer the money, and through this contacts we can easily send the messages. Hospital and clinic, we go to hospital or clinic when we are ill. The doctors check us and give medicine. Nurses look after the indoor patients. Yes, so hospitals, whenever we are feeling ill, हम लोग कहाँ जाते हैं? हम लोग हॉस्पिटल्स में जाते हैं. So hospitals में कौन रहते हैं? Doctors and nurse. They look after us and they give us medicine. And if any serious thing is there, they shall say that to admit in a hospital. Next is what? Police station. There are policemen to help us at the police station. They patrol on the roads and catch the thieves. They guard and save us from thieves and robbers. Some policemen keep trained dogs to search thieves. The traffic police controls the traffic. So yes, there are two types of police. One is a traffic police and the other one is a police which guards us from the thief. So हर area में एक police station होता है, and there you will have police members also. What do? They catch if anything wrong is happening in our area. They immediately find out the situation and they catch the culprit. So this is the duty of the policeman. And where do they work? They work in the police station. And if in case, if I am having any problem or you are having any problem, immediately you can call the police and they will come. Fire station. Sometimes a house, building or factory catches fire. Yes, there are chances when the house and a building or any factory or a shop, it catches the fire. So what do? We call fire brigade from the fire station. So fireman, वो लोग आते हैं in a red color fire engine, जो उनकी गाड़ी पे red color fire engine होता है, and bells of the fire engine ring loudly to warn people to give away. So उनका एक सायरन होता है, जैसा एम्बुलेंस का भी if any sudden case is there, तो वो एम्बुलेंस का भी वो बजता है ना, to give away. So similarly bells of the fire engine also there, so that traffic में रोड पे जाते हुए बहुत सारे कभी ट्रैफिक्स भी होते हैं. So immediately if they ring the bell, people will move and they give the way to the fire engine, to the fire brigade or to the ambulance also. So they use ladder and a long water pipes to save the people and put out wire. They wear helmets to keep their heads safe. So they have a big ladder. With the help of that ladder they save the people, and in order to protect themselves they have fire suits which protects them from the fire, and they wear helmet also in order to protect their head from the fire. Okay children, so these were the basic and the important things which are located at our surroundings in our neighborhood. And each city has a different police station, has a different hospital, has a different fire brigade, and it has a different post office also. Every area has a different post office, right? But the work is same. People are changed in order to make the convenient, for the sake of the convenience of the people. Wherever there is a different places are there, a post office and a different police station has been assigned by the government. Because if I am sitting here and the police station or the post office is at Secunderabad, so it will be a very long distance for me to walk from that one place to another place. So that's why every area has its own hospital, has its own market, has its own post office, its clinic and fire brigade office. Okay children, so yes, with this we have completed our lesson. I'll pass you the notes of this lesson, and your work is to read the lesson and watch my video. We'll meet soon with a new lesson. Till then children, goodbye and take care.